Welcome to J&J's test video of S4PN271. This is a 2004 GTO with the 5.7L LS1 and the T56 manual transmission. Hit here in the roof, broke the back glass, jacked the quarter panel up. Give you a walk around. Mirror's a little broken. Everything on the motor is stock. We'll start it up. $100,000 or 110,304. Oh man, my seat is way far back. Oh, lost connection. Ugh. Times when you think you got it. Try that again. Oh no, that one's not working either. I wonder what's up. Last time. Alright, there we go, I think. Yep, that's better. Computer had to remember what to do. Seems to run pretty good. 110,304. The radio works, but the CD player doesn't work. So I'll check and see if it's worth saving. It does make some noise, so like the amp or if there's anything in there works. Drive-by cable and come out here and grab it. It's like the old-fashioned days. Alright, let's see if we can take it for a drive. Legit. Power seats work. They're not too bad. They're not perfect, but they're not bad. Oh, my head. This mirror works. Shift knob is a missing. Driver window works. Passenger works. I want to jack that hood up. I'm not gonna go crazy. Transmission seems to be okay. Alright. Give you a better walk around, see if there's anything else I missed. Ugh. Hit on the roof there. Wheels are good, headlights are nice, that front bumper will be fully loaded The hood will be available, both fenders, rockers, doors, maybe not the right, quarter glasses, back glass. It has somebody's, oh, is that an Anza Silverline exhaust? Got one taillight, maybe two, that might buff out. So that's that. LS1 with a T56 attached to it, 110,000 miles. Not too bad. As always, thank you for watching. S4PN271, and have a nice day.